Hello guys, today I'm visiting a very professional garage door manufacturing factory located in Foshan, China. Now guys, follow my camera, I'm going to show you how it works. These are made from high quality wood green aluminum alloy. Okay, good. With remote control. Oh my god, okay. OK， 这个透明的 ，OK。So guys, if you are source building materials and garage doors from China, just feel free to contact us and we carry and we care. Most important, we do the right things right at the first time. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video and we do hope to see you guys next time.